So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can enable the hand wash reminders on your Noise smartwatch. Now this is the very interesting update that the Noise has been putting in front of their customer. Like if you have been all known now that the very viral diseases are going to be spreaded. So the smartwatches that you wear are going to be alerting you to wash your hands over a certain period of time. So to enable this, you need to download the NoiseFit mobile application on your smartphone. You can download it from Play Store, and in US you can download it from App Store. When now you after you download it, you need to pair your smartphone with it, your smartwatch with it. Once you do the pairing process, now when you open this, now this is the home page of this NoiseFit mobile application. Here on the most below of the list, you're gonna find 4 5 options. Here on the last option says my device, just simply click on this option. When you click there, now this is the device settings of your particular device. It may be different for your device, but most of the interface is going to be same. Here you need to scroll down until you find this option of health monitor. Just simply click there. Now this is the health monitor section. Here you're gonna find 4 5 options, where you're gonna see this option of hand wash. Just simply click there. Now you just need to enable this, and you can edit the frequency of time period of which you want to get the reminders, and you can set up the start time and end time as well by just simply hitting this edit button. And you can after making changes, just simply hit save to save the changes, and after you're gonna satisfy with it. And once you do that, now the hand wash reminders are going to be available for you whenever you wear your smartwatch. So by this method, you can very easily enable or disable the hand wash reminders. In case if you want to disable, you can do the same process, or vice versa if you are getting annoyed with it. So by this method, you can very easily enable or disable the hand wash reminders on your Noise smartwatch. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.